What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back again. Today is another special day. Today, I went ahead and brought myself a brand new 2022 in the year 21. That's just my way of celebrating myself, finally reaching 100,000 views. And of course, I would be nothing without y'all. So we had to do a giveaway. Today's giveaway, you see it. We got stuff on stuff on stuff on stuff on stuff. So, just like we did last year, we'll do another giveaway. All you guys got to do, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on IG, send me a screenshot, and boom, you're in the win for the drawing. So, good luck to you guys, and like I said, once again, appreciate all the love and support. 100 down, another 100 to go. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back giving another pickup. And today we have a pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2 and the Beluga colorway. And as you can tell, or as you soon will tell, these things were well worth the wait as well as the hype. 2016 is when these bad boys first came out, and ever since then, each year I've been counting down, waiting for my chance to get me a pair. So, one of the things I like most about this particular shoe is the way that this solar red flare brings out the whole shoe. Now, some people think this is an orange, but it's actually classified as a red solar flare. And if you look on the box, if you want to fact check your boy, it actually does say solar red. So, solar red flare is the stripe that runs up and down the shoe. The prime knitting is a steel gray colorway. And one of the things about this shoe I like the most is that this one is actually reflective, which I love those little things. Reflective material, as you can tell by my jacket, reflective material. So I might wear this, something like this, or actually, you know, I might wear this and then like a flight jacket over it, since it's wintertime where I'm at. It's pretty cold. But back to the shoe. So these are Yeezy Boost, and you do get a Yeezy sole officially. And within inside of that Yeezy sole is you're going to see these three stripes right here. Then you're going to see the Yeezy Boost right here. And in addition to that, you got the tag right here. This is the RFID tag. And if you look at it this way at an angle, you see the little barcode that you can scan if you have a scanner. And you can scan this as well. Now, come on over here, guys. I'm going to show you something real quick. So one of the things I really want you guys to see is that they stayed true to the lettering on here, which of course is the SPLY. Now, there's always been confusion about what this means. Some people think it stands for St. Pablo Loves You. Some people think it stands for Supply of 350. St. Pablo Loves You, Kanye's album. But regardless, they kept it true to the original that came out back in 2016. And then also, what you expect from a pair of Yeezy Boost, you have the boost that's encaved within the shoe right here with this little cage. And in addition to that, there's like a zebra stripe pattern of the grays throughout the whole shoe, which then has little excerpts of the solar flare popping throughout the whole shoe, as you see right here. And then you see the flare and everything going all the way around the whole shoe. So overall, I think this is one of the better colorways that they came out with. It's not too often that you see a red flare and a gray go together. You usually see red and gray, but not like this. So, signing out for you guys for $220. You was able to get a pair. What a steal. If not, keep your eyes out. Maybe another 5 years you can get you a pair. much hyped shoe.
Dang. Man.
One of the main reasons these shoes is, bro. Stop using the gimbal. Just use a standstill.
All right, hold up.
Do you got me taking them out the shoe? Today we have a pair of none other than the Yeezy 450 Boost V2 in the Boogaloo colorway. Why is your temper glass in there?
I didn't have nowhere else to put it.
Yo, first I was like, is there like a hidden prize in there? I was thinking like a Willy Wonka key or something. What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back here another pickup. Hey, battery dead?
It's not the battery.
I guess just mainly hold it up top because I'm only gonna open it and take the shoe right here, set it down, and then we can go back to the angles.
No, that's not bad.